Hi everyone, in this short video I will show you how to select your website design. So once you are logged into your WordPress website dashboard, you need to go in Appearance and go to Themes. So once you go to Themes, you have an option to select any type of web design you like. So go ahead and click Add New. So once you click on the Add New, you have all this bunch of options. You could put here in the search box if you want a specific design, or you could just scroll and see what kind of design you like for your website. It's very easy. You don't need any coding. You don't need to know any HTML or CSS or any type of knowledge. Just go ahead and start searching. So here's the featured web designs samples. Here's the popular one. Here's the latest one. And here is the filter. You could also use the feature filter if you need a website which has a good layout. If you need a one column website, just the one column just to show your product or service. You need a two column website, three column website, four column websites. You need a sidebar on the left or right. So there are a whole bunch of features here that you could choose from. So whichever feature you want for your website, you could choose here. So let's see, you want an e-commerce website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the e-commerce and apply filter. So now it's going to give me an option where I could choose e-commerce related web design. So e-commerce related web design, generally you could use the e-commerce design to sell any type of product or service you have. So there are a whole bunch of options. So here you could decide, you could just click on any website. Like, let's see, this one looks nice, so I'm gonna go check it real quick. And here it will give you a live overview that this is how your website would look like. Still, you have to customize it, make it just like this one, and select as you like. So this is how you choose any web design you like and install it. So let's say this one looks nice. So if I go ahead and click this install, it would go ahead and start installing actually the web design, and then you could go ahead and activate it. Now once you go ahead and activate it, after activating, you need to go in the customize section and customize anything you need within your website. So you actually really need to find that what design you like and what type of features you are looking for depending on your business model. So here is like, you set up the home page, you set up the home settings, that what actually you want to show up on your front page, site identity, header image, site width, header and menu styling. So any type of settings you need. So here's the menus. That's where you could set up actually the website navigation menu. So you have a whole bunch of different options here. So you need to go through each option and see what you need. So once you play around with these options, you will have a better understanding of what type of web designs you like, and you could build it accordingly. Now it's a good idea to generally do it yourself. Obviously we can't do everything, but try to do as much as possible on your own, because when you're starting an online business and if you start hiring people to do everything, your cost would go way too high, because anything you want a web designer to do for you, it would come with a big invoice. So I just wanted to give you a little overview of how to select web design for your business and choose options and customize it. If you have more questions, feel free to ask, because every web designer has a different type of options, but they don't require any coding or HTML knowledge. You could just go in the settings and see whatever you wanna select here. And there are also a bunch of options here like widgets, menus, header, background of your website, and so you could choose anything you like. If you decide to switch the design, you could just go back to this theme section and add new and type in another thing, or just look for another web design that you like. You could select it and start using it. So that's it. This is how you select web design for your website. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.